We were founded a few years ago really on the principle that math is powerful, but math has to be integrated with complex problems and technology. When we got together with Ciena through a lot of brainstorming sessions, it was really, we all understood that there's some intersection that needs to come together of analytics, technology, math inside the Ciena environment. So as great partners do, we sat down and thought about what are the highest value problems that we could solve together for Ciena. So we chose this problem and we wondered, hey, can we solve this problem? And we now know, in fact, we can.
So historically, bandwidth has not been priced based upon usage. Every other market in the world is like that. We finally have the capability to do that with big data analytics, and that's what Ciena and Link are bringing together.
What we're trying to do is bring math and technology in partnership with Ciena to create a marketplace. And marketplace, if you think in common terms of how marketplaces exist, marketplaces are where there's a combination of supply and demand and pricing that impacts supply and demand. And ultimately, when those things are brought to bear, there's efficiency.
If you think about the most primitive telecom networks, it was taking wires and connecting them together. That doesn't happen anymore. We've got to use intelligent software inside the network to make it the best network it can possibly be.
So what we have is a simulation prototype where we take a canonical network and we have thousands of users that are submitting tasks to this network. And we'll first run it with the analytical engine turned off, where we're going to say, okay, every link has the same price. And we're going to see how much revenue we generate and see how much network load there is. Now, we're going to turn our analytical engine on, we're going to look at the state of the network, we're going to learn about these users over time, and then we're going to dynamically price the links in this network so that we can monetize the network.
So we think this is a game changer for Ciena, and by extension it's a game changer for Ciena's clients. This will ultimately allow them to create efficiencies inside their networks, and what that means is they're going to be able to monetize their networks in ways that they never thought possible.